I've been moving, I've been moving. I've been moving, I've been moving. This is the kind of matters, these conversations. Distance money can never. This should be enough for you. My darling, I believe in real life. Time is to have fun. Let's take this time to get high. Leave confirmation, cause I've been moving, I've been moving.
Thank you all so much. It's a great privilege to be here. Good morning, my daddies. Good morning, mommies. Good morning, uncles, aunties. Good morning, everybody. We are live here in Harmony Gardens, Lusada Agbara, and you can see it's a very large expanse of land. Genuine, not just very large expanse of land where you have value for your money. And I am privileged to be here. Thank you all for coming. Please, let's take a walk together and see this beautiful view. It's so beautiful, it's so amazing. We are not in the bush. I can see, in fact, from where we entered here to this place, we were seeing people, we're seeing commuters, we're seeing bike men, we're seeing landed properties, we're seeing companies. It's not a secluded place. It's not somewhere that you'll be like, help me, then they carry me go where. No. This is where you know. So let's just take a walk together and view this beautiful masterpiece. Wow, I can't even wait for a lot of people to own properties here, especially me and all my people. Wow, this is beautiful. This is big. We cannot walk this place. In fact, okay, it's massive. It's not even big. Yes, it's more than big. This is massive, very, very massive, and it's in an open area. In fact, please come and make great and valuable investments here, because we are genuine. We know before one now. We know be sell one land to 20 people. We know they do that kind of thing. So it's here in Harmony Gardens, Lusada Agbara. Thank you all for coming. I'm so privileged to be here. Thank you. God bless you all.
All right. Thank you everyone. You've heard from our own dear, brand ambassador, Afolashade Omodesire, aka Yoshibi. And then, okay, we all know that, one thing I know about her is, she's value driven, integrity. She wouldn't be part of what will not work. And then she has to put her foot on the ground that she knows Sleep Eye so well. She knows the people behind, Lip Eye so well. So I really want you to know that whatever will not work, even Lip Eye will never be part of it. And then we want to let everyone know that this is Harmony Gardens. We took some people here, and we'll be taking some people here, and they've seen that the land have not shifted. Hope you know. So this is Harmony Gardens, and I also want you to understand that we are even having Lip Eye Love package. So as many as possible that we take advantage of it, they will thank you and thank us forever. This is a place to be. This is Harmony Gardens, by Lip Eye Lusada Agbara. So let the sales continue. As a matter of fact, this season we are in sold out season. So I see us selling out, and I see us enjoying the good fruit of our labor by God's special grace. Thank you so much for coming. Personally, I appreciate you, and on behalf of Lip Eye Limited, the owner of Lip Eye Homes and Properties, we appreciate each and every one of us that have made it point of duty to be here on Saturday, for that matter. Do you know what it means? The O1 that you have missed, but you can still go to your O1 because we saw how straightforward, how traffic free the road is. So we can go back and wear our O1 clothes, then we are good to go. Thank you all for coming. I love you all. Thank you.
nothing.